Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is yet another unboxing video. I'm so excited. We're on our way to Best Buy right now. We're about to go pick up quite a few things, like you'll see, but the main thing that we're going for is my new MacBook. I'm so excited, I'm so happy. I've been waiting on this MacBook for like a whole week. So we're gonna go to Best Buy. You'll see us go pick up all of our stuff, and then we'll come back and unbox it. And yes, wait, what you doing? I cannot work under these conditions. But if you haven't already, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. I would really hate for you all to miss out on any of these great videos that are coming soon. So make sure you do that. Really? Let's go.
Let's go.
We're here. Okay.
Where we pull up to?
We're here. Curbside pickup, sir. So you can see them outside.
Nah, they said you gotta walk up there.
I'm not going inside. They better bring my stuff out.
Ain't no curbside. They said get out and talk to them.
Okay.
Contact
Curbside pickup. All right, y'all. The bags are in. Stay tuned. Quick detour. Don't judge it.
First brownie cupcakes.
Thank you.
Enjoy.
You too. I like how no one uses windows.
All right, y'all. We are officially back home after about 40 minutes of driving, a small detour to the little shake place, and another 40 minutes of driving. We're finally home. Quick little story. I only played with my dad, and he was like, I don't know what to get you for your graduation gift. And I jokingly said, well, I'm looking into getting a new MacBook, which I actually was. I was literally probably seconds away from buying it. And I was like, oh, let me tell him this is what I want for graduation. And he actually bought it. So luckily, I didn't have to buy it, and he bought it as part of my graduation gift. So thanks, Dad. Let's see what all we have. So here is my sleeve for my laptop. I'm definitely gonna need this to carry it around. I have a laptop backpack, but this is great for me just trying to only carry my laptop instead of an entire backpack. Then I have this. This is the Magic Mouse. Now, I was not about to buy this $80 mouse, but he was like, you want it? I was like, sure. I'll definitely use it. Ooh, it's so pretty. It's like a little bar of soap. Let's see, does it come with anything else? It comes with another charger. I have literally maybe 5 of these chargers. I'm like, I should never need another Apple charger ever again. Next, we have my little adapter. So basically, I hook it up to my camera, and then I hook it up to my MacBook. Apple always has to make things so complicated. My other laptop, I just literally take my SD card out and plug it into my laptop. All right, now for the moment we've all been waiting for. My MacBook. Ooh. This is what it looks like, y'all. All right, we have some instructions, another cord, the charger. You probably need this very soon. And then that's it, you know. Apple keeps it nice, simple, and clean. So that's all that's in the box. It's so light. I thought it would be a little bit heavier than this. My other laptop, I have the HP Spectre, I think that's how you pronounce it. It's just a lot heavier. But I love this. It's so compact and cute. And there we go. It's trying to turn itself on right now. I didn't even touch anything. And oh, okay, I guess I have to set it up now.
To use English as the main language, press the return key.
Okay. Okay, y'all, it's talking. Okay. What's the return key? Oh, here it is. Let me say, okay, I vowed I would never get a MacBook ever because years ago when I used it for the first time in class, I was like, why do people use this? It's so complicated. Everything's backwards. I'm like, no, like I will never get a MacBook. Look at me now. So it's asking me to sign into my Wi-Fi. I do not know the password, but I wonder can I do it through my phone? Dang it, it's not letting me do it. Okay, I'll be back. Oh, okay, I got the Wi-Fi password. It's honestly out of pure laziness that we have not changed it to something that we can both remember. It's just, I don't know why we're like this. All right, so while my Wi-Fi is connecting, I don't know why it's taking so long. I decided to show you all the laptop I have now. It's a little dirty, don't judge me, but this is the HP, HP Spectre. I got this in, let me think, 2018 from Best Buy again. They just get all of our money. It's not even funny, but it's a touchscreen. That's why the screen's so dirty. Look at our little picture, so cute. Wait, there we go. Aren't we cute? So it's a 2-in-1. This one costs actually more than this right here. I can't believe it, but it did. I love it. It worked for what I needed to work for, but ultimately I think I just need a MacBook now. For all of my editing and other things that I'm trying to get into, I just think I now need this one. The Spectre also came with a pen. I just realized it's broken. I've used this pen maybe one time and all of a sudden it's broken now. Like, how crazy. Anyways, I'm gonna end up keeping both of these. My husband will probably use this from time to time, but he also has his own PC set up, so we're just gonna have a lot of technology lying around. But anyways, all right. Ooh, I do not know my Apple ID password. Let me see. I don't really have a choice but to accept. I agree. Okay, so while my iCloud is setting up, I just looked around. I'm like, there's nowhere for me to put my camera SD card. Why does Apple have to be so difficult? So I'm guessing I'm gonna be using the adapter sooner than later. Looking around, I already noticed this is not a touchscreen, of course. It is not a 2-in-1 tablet like my HP. It does not have the little numbers off to the side, the little keypad over here. So that's gonna take some getting used to. I do like how big this area is right here, the little mouse pad, whatever you wanna call it, touchpad thingy. I like how large the keys are. That's nice. I don't like, you know, being all clustered. I like that the keyboard is lighted. I hate that that is the term that you're supposed to use instead of lit. Like, it's not lit, it's lighted. I just hate that. But the back is lighted just like my other laptop, which is great for working in the evening in cases where there's not a lot of light. I love that. Overall, I'm very happy. It's not as many tools or different things that you can use. Like, again, it's not the touchscreen, it's not the tablet. You can't just flip it over and paint on it, write on it how you want to, like I can with my other laptop. But I think that's why I'm going to use them for separate things. So I'm glad I have them both. So now it's asking me to enter my phone password. Oh shoot, that's not the right password. Oh my goodness. What's my password? How did I forget my password just that quick? Like, I use my password every single day. How did I forget it? Okay, there we go. It's asking me to set up the iCloud keychain. I'm not gonna do that right now. I just want to get to the regular home screen to show you all. So I'm gonna put set up later. It's asking me if I want Siri on. I have to set up my Hey Siri because she be on point. Hey Siri, show my download. It is a lot to be set up with this. That's another thing about MacBooks. They want all your information. They want you to set up everything right now. It's like, I don't have time for that. Okay, so it's telling me that I have a Touch ID, which I also have Touch ID on my HP laptop that I just showed you, but it's this little key right here. Lord have mercy, they want me to set up Apple Pay now. So it's asking me now if I want light, dark, or auto mode. I think I just want dark mode. It just looks the best. It says setting up your MacBook, so we're almost there. All right, y'all, we did it, we made it. I'm going to use this immediately, start editing my videos, and just try to get acquainted with it or used to using this MacBook. This is again the MacBook Air 2020 version. This is not the Pro. This was $999 before tax and before the warranty. So after both of those, it was about $12.50, somewhere around there. I hope you enjoyed today's video as much as I did. As you know, I love to unbox things. I'm so excited to use this MacBook. I hope it helped you. Whether you're looking to buy a new laptop, buy a new MacBook specifically. Oh, I will add, so I was initially looking to get the $899 version, which is the 2019 MacBook Air, but of course it was sold out. So then I got this one. Between the two, from what I could see, there's really no big difference besides the memory. Like this one is 256 gigabytes, I believe. And then the $899 version was 128, I believe. So of course that wasn't a huge issue for me. I'm not really worried about storage like that, you know. So of course I wanted the $899 version, but they were sold out, so I had to get the $999 version. Anyways, between the two, I would say so far this is a great investment. I love it. I'm going to work on it and probably come back with another review just to chime in on how it's going, how I'm getting acclimated with it, because as I told you before, I had a very difficult time using a MacBook years ago, so that just made me never want one, but here we are today. I hope you enjoyed this video. As always, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. Also, do not be afraid to comment. I love feedback. I love hearing your thoughts and your opinions, what you want to see next, video ideas, how you think this video went. All of that is much appreciated. I'll see you next video.